Did you know that silver coins are sold differently than coins made from other materials? Yes, they are. And right now, we're going to explain exactly what you need to know to sell your silver coins for the best possible price. But before we continue, take a quick moment to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and drop a comment below telling us the year of your silver coin. While collectible coins always have value regardless of the material they're made from, the metal itself sets a minimum price floor. And today, with silver and gold prices rising significantly, many people have found it easier than ever to sell their coins. But here's the real question. Did they actually sell them for the best possible price? Let's look at this from two different perspectives. From the first point of view, yes, many coins sold in recent weeks were sold at historically high silver prices. However, we need to remember something very important. Coins are not just pieces of silver. They are historical artifacts. They are collectibles. And often, they carry numismatic value far beyond their melt value. During this recent surge in silver prices, many resellers took advantage of the situation. They convinced collectors that they needed to sell quickly before silver prices dropped again. As a result, many collectible coins were purchased at around $70 per ounce in silver value. Now, some of those same coins are being resold for thousands of dollars in auctions and antique houses. And that brings us to the second perspective. Many coins sold during this price surge may have effectively been given away, traded only for their metal content, while their true numismatic value was practically ignored. As we've said before, knowledge can be just as valuable or even more valuable than the coin you're trying to sell. That's why patience and calm decision-making are absolutely essential in the selling process. The last place you should choose to sell silver coins is a pawn shop. In most cases, they will pay you even less than the current spot price of silver. Now, here's something very important. Silver coins that once circulated can often be the most valuable. But be careful. Just because a coin was originally made for circulation does not mean it has to be in poor condition today. We're talking about coins that were produced for everyday commercial transactions used by ordinary people in daily life. When those coins survive in high grades, or even in near-perfect uncirculated condition, their value can be far greater than their silver melt value. If you own one of these coins in outstanding condition, the smartest move is to protect it before it suffers any significant wear or damage. And how do you do that? You submit it to a reputable coin grading service. There, the coin will be authenticated, professionally graded, sealed in a protective holder, and assigned an official grade that is recognized by collectors and investors worldwide. This eliminates uncertainty, it creates trust, and it ensures there are no disputes between buyer and seller. When a coin is properly certified, everyone knows exactly what they're paying for. Avoid making common mistakes like cleaning your coins. We repeat this advice in almost every single video, and there's a reason for that. We constantly receive coins for evaluation that have already been cleaned in an attempt to improve their appearance. And unfortunately, we often have to deliver disappointing news. Once a coin has been cleaned, it can lose a significant portion, sometimes almost all of its numismatic value. Why? Because cleaning creates microscopic scratches. It damages the original surface. It removes the natural patina that took decades, sometimes over a century, to develop. And in many cases, when a coin already shows heavy wear, cleaning it can actually make important details harder to see. Dates become less legible. Design elements lose definition, and the coin can appear unnatural or even altered in the eyes of experienced collectors. In the world of coin collecting, originality matters. A coin with honest wear and natural toning is far more desirable than one that has been artificially improved. So remember this: never clean your coins. If you think a coin might be valuable, leave it exactly as it is and have it professionally evaluated. Preserving originality protects value. If you want to know the real value of your coin, leave the date and its main characteristics in the comments. We'll give you an approximate current market value, so you can avoid confusion caused by misleading online listings that don't reflect a coin's true worth. This will help you avoid falling into the hands of silver coin buyers who acquire numismatic treasures for just a few dollars, taking advantage of people's lack of information or urgent financial needs. Now, the best place to sell your coins depends on several factors. It depends on the specific coin you own. It depends on its condition. And it depends on how many coins you're planning to sell. Every situation is different. To help you determine the best selling option for your case, We've linked a video right here where we explain the best places to sell coins. Make sure you watch it before making any decision. Remember, every coin and every seller has a unique situation. Thank you for your time, and we'll see you in the next video.